And I also make my own goat milk moisturizing creams. I've got all different kinds. Again, I use essential oils. I've got unscented as well as scented. Tjernlund Goat Farm soaps. We milk our own goats. I make everything from scratch. If you look at my bars, I list all the ingredients. Most of them, the first ingredient in the bars is goat milk. Up to 25% of every bar is goat milk. So they're very moisturizing, healing, nourishing for your skin. And if I scent them, I only scent them using essential oils. And I do have unscented as well. And I also make my own goat milk moisturizing creams. I've got all different kinds. Again, I use essential oils. I've got unscented as well as scented. I've got lavender, honeysuckle with patchouli, mango butter with bergamot essential oil. I have lemongrass and juniper, avocado and tea tree, a cocoa butter, and an unscented, along with what I call Relief, which has 5 essential oils that help with inflammation and pain. I also make soap dishes with real dried flowers. You can use them as coasters, soap dishes, spoon rests. All natural lip balm. And then I have my all natural deodorants and essential oil sprays.
Awesome. And this one is a pest repellent?
Yeah, one of these, actually, it's all, no chemicals, it's all natural. It acts as a pest repellent against mosquitoes, flies, ants, jiggers.
Ooh.
This one is, I call it well-being. It's got essential oils that are very relaxing, and I just love the scent.
Thank you so much for sharing.
You're welcome.
And where can people find you?
I'm in Canton Trade Days every month in Trade Center for a building, and you can buy from me online at www.tjgoatmilksoap.etsy.com.
Thank you.